Hi, welcome to the first video in a series of videos about how you can use AI in your work as an interior designer. I'm Joanne. I'm an interior designer and interior design business coach with a special interest in technology. And over the next few videos, we're going to be diving into the world of artificial intelligence and how you can leverage its possibilities. You might have heard a lot about AI and maybe have tried a tool like ChatGPT or even created an image in MidJourney. But what does all this tech mean for you as a designer, both now and in the future? This series isn't about the hype or fear surrounding AI. It's about practical application, how AI can enhance your work and how to navigate this rapidly changing landscape. If you're interested about learning how you can use AI in your design practice, then this series of videos is for you. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any part of this series. It'll be worth it. My goal is to empower you with the knowledge you need to use AI effectively and efficiently. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is AI? In simple terms, AI is simulated intelligence which has been created by machines. It's about making computers perform tasks which typically require human intelligence. This could include things like learning, problem solving, decision making. If you program a machine to say hi when you type in the word hi, this is AI. This type of artificial intelligence has been around since the beginning of when computers started to be used. But it's important to distinguish between artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is what we're mainly going to be talking about in this series. Machine learning is a subset of AI. This is where computers have been trained on large sets of data without any explicit instructions. So when we ask it a question or give it a task, it searches through these mounds of data and tries to predict the most common response. So when we ask a question or give it a task, it draws on all that information to produce an output, which is typically an answer or an action. So if we say hi, the computer knows it should say hi back because that is the common response on the data that it has been trained on. So as we use a tool like ChatGPT, for example, by asking a question and engaging with the computer, we continue to train it to understand what is acceptable responses. So the data set becomes larger and larger. So the next question that you might ask is, how is AI being currently used in the interior design industry today? So right now, AI can assist with various tasks. It can generate design concepts. It can help you space plan. It can streamline your client communication. There are also tools that can help with layout. It can take notes and summarize meetings. Tools like ChatGPT can assist with content creation for social media and for marketing. But it's important to note that currently we are using these tools as assistants. They are helping us complete tasks faster and more accurately. And this is a concept that you need to understand. But we are moving towards using AI as agents, which are basically groups of assistants that have been trained to work together and will help us complete a task from start to finish, exactly the way we would like it to be done. This is entirely possible right now, and I'll be sharing how you can do this in subsequent videos. But despite all these advances, it's critical to remember that AI is not a complete replacement for a designer's skill and intuition. Especially right now, when we're training agents, we have to remember to keep the human in the loop. This will ensure quality and consistency in our outputs. So with this in mind, designers have to realize that AI is a tool. It's not a replacement. It can help you generate ideas, but they are not final designs. They are just conceptual starting points. To use AI effectively, it's important to remember this. It requires your input, your critical eye, and your creativity to achieve the desired results. Remember, the value of your design practice lies in a deep understanding of your clients and their needs, which is something that AI cannot replicate. The next thing that I want to talk about is how you need to stay informed. What is true today may not be true tomorrow. This is a fast changing industry. AI technology is advancing rapidly. One of the goals of this series is to keep you up to date. But as a designer, it's important to explore these tools yourself. Keeping an open mind about AI is also critical. This can be your advantage in an industry that is constantly changing. So don't be afraid to experiment with new things. By embracing AI, you'll not only stay relevant, but it will enhance your work and your client experience. Over the next few videos, we'll be looking at how you can use AI tools in your interior design projects. We'll cover topics like image generation, space planning, client communication, marketing, as well as the future of AI in design. We'll also discuss the common myths and challenges in using AI. I'm going to focus on practical tips and techniques to help you see AI as a resource. So whether you're just curious about AI or ready to jump straight in, this series is for you. Thanks for watching this video. I've created a few videos about how I use MidJourney to help me create images in my interior design practice. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss a video. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn about AI, and I'll see you in the next video.